You ever been in a situation where you were about to present a really important proposal to a client, only to find that your PowerPoint file was actually corrupted or wouldn't open, forcing you to recreate the presentation from scratch? Right, so we are here on Doki AI, and this is absolutely fantastic in terms of being able to use the full strength of AI to present your idea in a digestible manner. Right, so we're logged into our Doki account now, and as you can see, the dashboard is absolutely fantastic. I absolutely love it. We've got a new task section on the site. We've got a library of various little charts and projects that we've basically been working on here. Actually, there's a limited time offer on at the moment, so you can get in on this for really cheap. So if you're someone like a student, a business owner, or you want to appeal to an investor, then Doki could be the way forward for you. So let's pop the topic in. Basically, you can upload stuff as well, which is really cool. So you've got things like pictures, images, videos, that sort of thing. Now, what we've done here is actually put together some strategy notes for a coffee shop we're looking to set up. I might actually use this in the future to help myself, but just for the sake of showing you lot, let's go ahead and generate with Doki and see what it comes up with. So the Doki Manager, as we can see, is doing its thinking now. It's brilliant that it just gets on with it and just knows what to do. I just love that feature. So it's updating the memory info, as we can see there. And while we're waiting, you can also see that you've got the different models here. We're currently using the free model just to show you that you can come in and actually use that free model. So we want to go ahead and create that slideshow. So create a digestible slideshow to appeal to VC investors. So let's see what the Doki Manager can do for us here. Right, so it's really cool. It's given us the subject here, the scenario, which is a VC investor pitch meeting. The page count's going to be auto, animation minimal. The language is going to be English. So let's go through. What do we think in terms of the actual branding? I like this one, Pure Leaf. Let's choose that one there and hit confirm. Right, so it's given us the basic layout here just before we actually go ahead and confirm. Okay, so it's coming up with a 14 slide deck. If we're happy there, once we're happy, I should say, let's hit confirm and generate. Pink, first page is here. Coffee shop pitch. Absolutely fantastic. Love the style. Now, what's really cool is that you can actually go in and manually adjust things. For example, if you want to add different sections in, you can add images, add charts and things like that. It's super easy to go and do it. Let's have a quick look through. So that's the first page. Second page, we've got the actual pitch deck here and like the menu section here. Why this coffee shop? Why now? That's for the cafe. Who are we serving? Who clientele? How do we make money? What we measure and improve. I mean, growth levers to scale. You get the picture, right? Everything is here. This is absolutely perfect with a little thank you page at the end. And say, for example, we just want to modify something. Let's just modify something quickly here. Let's change the last page to make it sound more professional. So it's going ahead and actually viewing the slide specifically. And within a matter of seconds, look at this. It's whipped up a design here. Thank you for your consideration. We look forward to the opportunity to partner with you in building a sustainable, community-focused coffee business with strong unit economics and scalable growth potential. Let me know what you lot think in the comments. I'm personally pretty happy with how that looks now. Now, another slide here is this actual slide here, number 6 out of 14 now. I would like to see maybe a bit of a chart here. Let's say for page number 6, can we include a visual forecast graph of some kind showing historical coffee sale growth or something similar to really excite the VC investors? Let's go ahead. And just like that, in a matter of a few seconds, bang, how we make money. It's given us a revenue forecast, 25% year-on-year growth, 2.5 million 2028 target. That's what we want to see. We want to see numbers, historical there, projected. This is what I like, getting really specific now. What are the revenue streams? Coffee, food, drinks, merchandise, loyalty program. Okay, now we're talking. This is starting to look a lot more juicy here. All done, your task is ready to go. Wow, I'm really enjoying using Doki, but that's not all we can do. Now I'm going to say, this page looks better, but can we add some basic 3D animations to really add some wow factor? Let's hit go on that, and let's let the Doki designer get to work. Right, and just like that, we've got our little interactive thing just down here. So take a look down here. So have a look at this. Take an hold. We can actually slide. That is so cool. We can actually rotate that around. That's like a little coffee cup. Really cool little 3D animation there. Fantastic. And it goes without saying, if you've already got your own brand, you'd basically upload that to ensure you get that consistency across all the different slides you create once you've finally got your branding set up. Now, what's also really great about Doki is that in terms of its actual export options here, as you can see on screen in the top right, we can click on the button. And for the static file, we've got different options here, such as PDF with PPTX and PNG. Now, regarding the HTML format, this should be selected if a dynamic chart display is required. Secure your next major client pitch without the design bottleneck by accessing the presentation tool via the link just below. If you did enjoy today's video, please take a moment to like, subscribe and comment, and most importantly, hit the notification bell, because that means you're never going to miss out on another one of these hot videos.